Hi guys, I'm Harry and this has been my experience so far as an apprentice. So, I work for a property maintenance company located in Hastings called DC Group. I took an apprenticeship in digital marketing, which makes me responsible for creating social media posts, creating mail shot campaigns and other sources of advertisement material. The support I have received throughout this apprenticeship has been amazing from both my assessors at LMP and the DC Group workplace as well. At DC, we have such a wide range of communication that helps me throughout this apprenticeship, from regular meetings to emails to even our very own group chats used to discuss things like ads and other plans, and it really helps me during this apprenticeship. My assessor has also been incredibly supportive throughout my time at this apprenticeship. We can communicate through text, phone calls, emails, and she always helps me with any questions that I might have that will help me. The reason why I went down the apprenticeship route as opposed to uni is because I found it as a way to better myself as a person and as an employee, as well as get some vital work experience at the same time. All in all, I highly recommend using LMP Education for people trying to find apprenticeships because they have really helped me, and because of them, I'm really excited about my future with them. See you later. And that's been my life in an apprenticeship, and I'm excited to see where it takes me.